I can't believe the year is almost over. It's been absolutely incredible. We caught some giant fish, hit 1 million subscribers, and broke a bunch of PBs. These are my top 10 favorite moments from 2018.
10.
These sharks are going by, we'd have no idea. There's tons of sharks. We got a bite, we got a bite. Shark on.
There he goes, there he goes. Ready, B? Reel. Good to go. Hold on. Is it free? It's free, yeah, hold on. There you go. Got it? We don't have much time. We don't have much time, dude. We got the shark back in the water. Come on. Flying fish! Flying fish! Flying fish! Bill! Woo!
Nice.
Yes! Yes, folks. Oh, guys, we got the pristine on right here. Oh, there he is.
Put him in there.
Flyer. Oh my God.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, put him in that live well. We see it.
Dude,
Oh
look at that, folks.
that's sick.
That's what I'm talking about. Flying fish, baby. Look at that. He'll fly away right now if I let him go. Let's put him in the live well, dude. That right there, folks, will catch a giant fish.
8.
This is like a ride from Universal Studios. We're thinking, you know, maybe he grabbed the propeller. We weren't expecting the damage that we had when we got back to the dock, and it was just astronomical. The whole middle of the engine is completely ripped out. The trim tab's broken. All said and done, it's gonna cost me about 800 bucks.
7.
I think he has you.
Yeah, that's him.
You got him.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna give up.
No, don't give up.
Way, bro. He can't break me off now.
No, 100%, dude. We have this fish.
Yeah, have him, all right.
All right, he has us, but
It's a gigantic bull shark, dude.
I had a feeling it might have
How?
been.
How did he not cut off the leader?
Wow. Look at that
There it
big
is.
boy, dude.
Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
400 pounds, baby. That a bite?
6.
Oh my gosh.
We're fine. Everybody stay calm. We're good. It's all you.
Okay. All right. Big Kobe, dude.
That's a really nice fish, Josh.
Yeah, I know, dude.
That's a big fish, dude.
That's what we came here for, this fish. This could be 50 pounds, dude.
It looks like it. I haven't gotten a good look, but from a distance,
When he was jumping, dude, he was like a blue marlin.
I mean, legit, that's a big fish, man. One of the big ones we've gotten this year.
Get him in the net, in the net, in the net, in the net, please. Yes, please, yes. That's a donkey, bro. That's why we come to Virginia, baby. Massive cobia, guys. New PB. Dude, 50 pounds all day.
All day.
All day. My previous was about 40, so this is an absolute PB crusher right here. We gotta get her back in the water, guys. We're gonna revive her right now. Make sure she lives. Season opens up tomorrow, so she's lucky. Yes, sailfish on, baby. Cody, sailfish on. Woo! Oh, there's another sailfish photo. Oh, he's jumping. Woo! Oh! Didier, come over here. Oh! Oh, beautiful. Look at him. Oh, my gosh. Number 1. First sailfish, baby. Nice. Woo! Let's go, baby. First fish in. Yes. He's a monster. Fish on, fish on. What do you think, Ty?
He's taking out lines right now.
Woo, he's a big one.
He is way out there.
Ty, you're hooked up to your first sail, man. How do you feel?
Feeling good.
It's an 80 pounder. Oh my gosh. That's
It's a catch on the rod.
so big. Dude, he's getting it. It's a giant. It's a giant, people. Oh my gosh. I lost my voice, dude. Dude, look at that. That is ridiculous.
It's a dinosaur.
That is ridiculous,
It is
bro.
literally a dinosaur.
This thing's close to 1,000 pounds.
There you go. There you go. Bump that.
Oh, it's a sawfish.
Oh my God.
It's a sawfish. Dude, did you see the size of that thing? Dude,
Dude, I don't like this. It's 13 feet deep here still. This might be a rock wall.
Drive away when I'm pumping. Drive it away. You gotta. Here he is. Here he is.
Oh my.
Oh, dude.
Dude, that is a dinosaur.
3,
I can't cast the boat. I see mahi. Pitch back there. Big mahi back there. Pitch back there. Dude, pitch it. That's a big bull, dude. Pitch it. Pitch right back there. Yo, pitch him. Look there. Open the. It's a giant bull. It's a 60-pounder, dude. Watch out. Is there? Do you have another big pin? He's gonna eat you, dude. Around here. He's right. He's gonna eat. He's coming for it. He's gonna eat. Hey, he ate it. Big bull dolphin. Oh my gosh. There we go, baby. Big bull dolphin. Woo! He's gonna jump. Woo! Yeah! Okay, he's done. Oh my gosh. That's a giant, bro. Fish of a lifetime for me. Get him now. You got him, bro. Get him in the boat. Yeah, baby! Big mahi! Ooh, this one's over 30 pounds for sure.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, sight fishing with a live mullet. Look at that, guys. Look at that mahi. Woo!
2,
That's a big fish. Look at that fish. We're about to get the world's greatest top rod to eat. There he is. Oh my gosh! Dude! Oh my gosh! This is stud. Dude, hold on. We got him, bro. Dude, we got him. We can't lose this fish, bro. We can't lose this. This is the biggest fish ever. Dude. This is the biggest Goliath ever. Don't lose him. No, guys. This Goliath weighs. He's bigger than the boat. Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yo, let him fly.
Yeah, I got it.
Guys, this is this fish. Whoa! Oh my god. Guys, you don't understand. This is 700 pounds. This thing is the biggest thing you've ever seen in your life. Dude, that weighs more than your boat, bro.
That's a big one, dude.
That weighs more than your boat, bro.
That's a barnacle.
That weighs way more. Yeah, he ain't done yet, folks. Hold on here. Just let him come down. The size of that fish, guys. That's a giant. That's a dinosaur. Oh my gosh.
1,
I got the shakes right now, dude.
Yeah, I know.
I got the shakes.
Calm down, man. It's too big. He's just eating pieces off.
No, he's got it, bro. He's got it. Make go on. Hold on. Lift the engine. Lift the engine.
You're good.
Woo! Oh my gosh, boys, we got a Mako shark on. Are you guys jumping? He's dumping, guys. Oh, he's still going. That's round one right there. He's big, bro. He's 300.
Oh, look at that. Hey, that's 10 feet, dude. That's 10 feet all day long. Scott, watch your hand.
Let him come in slowly, okay? He's barely hooked, okay? Dude, that's 500 pounds, bro. That's 500 pounds all day long, bro. These were my top 10 favorite moments from the year, but to be honest, there were so many other awesome things that happened, we just could not fit them all on that list. So here are some other great clips from 2018. Look at the scars on him. Why am I doing this to myself? Max, you need help. Get over here. Get over here. I'm gonna trip the rod. I'm done, dude. Help me. Help me pull the rod. Pull the rod. Pull the rod. Pull the rod up.
Come on.
I can't move.
Got a huge marlin on right now. We're trolling into the inshore spot and just put out some of Alex's lures, Imperium Outfitters, baby. Those lures are crushing it. Coming up, coming up. Coming up.
Yeah, buddy. Look at him go. Look at him go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, he's coming at us.
Oh,
He's
man.
coming
Oh,
for
man. Big blue. Big blue.
Yeah, buddy.
Thing's a beast, bro. Thing's an absolute beast. Oh yeah, here it comes, here it comes. What a fish! Hold his tail up. That's a good fish there, buddy.
Bro, this is a 12-pounder.
I'm gonna have to probably gaff that thing.
Yo, I think so, dude. Bro, this is the biggest mangrove ever, guys.
Oh yeah, let me get that.
That's a giant. That's over 10 pounds. It's over 10 pounds. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that mangrove.
That thing is
That's
an
a 10
animal.
It's over 10 pounds.
That's
dude.
definitely a 10-pound mangrove right there.
Oh my gosh.
That's
that's
a real live
monster.
one.
Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's a monster. We are on, baby. Dude, this is a giant guy. Dude, this is the biggest hook of your life, bro.
I'm about to get smoked.
Yeah, also we're a little less than half.
Dude, that's a giant. Oh my gosh. That's a stud, dude. Bro, that could be 70 pounds.
Dude, that's a freaking big cobia.
That's a 60, 70, dude.
That's a 60, 65.
Yes! Woo! Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, that's a dinosaur. Oh my gosh, dude.
man.
Look at how big this fish is.
He's got good color and he's biting my thumb, so anytime.
All right, let's let him
Here he
go.
goes.
There he goes.
Beautiful.
All hope was lost. We were literally pulling anchor, reeling the baits in, and this thing got piped. The camera was packed up.
Big king, dude. Big.
How big?
Big, dude.
Oh my gosh, it's a giant king. What? Dude, it's so big. Dude, that's a beast. Drew, you called it, man. A last minute fish. And this is the last minute fish, guys. Wow. 45 to 50 pound kingfish. What a monster. No, smallmouth bass, baby. Oh, you want to test smallmouth bass, baby?
I wanted to bite.
That's a dinosaur.
That's a 6, 7 pound.
Are you serious?
How was that for a top
Oh,
one?
here it is, here it is.
Oh!
Let me get, let me.
I'm gonna try to pull it up.
Dude, how
Oh my
crazy was
gosh,
that?
that was
You catch
insane.
smallmouth bass, bro. That's the biggest one in the world right
That's
there.
100 times bigger than any smallmouth I've ever caught. Like, that is ridiculous.
Blacktip H Fishing is brought to you by Frog Tongs, designed for you, created for the outdoors, and Sudacor Nutrition,